Is your Xiaomi phone saying emergency calls only or not detecting your SIM card even though it's properly inserted? No need to stress. This is a common issue and I've got some simple steps to fix it. It usually happens because of network problems, SIM errors, or small software bugs. In this video, I'll show you how to solve it step by step. Let's get started. Solution 1. Turn airplane mode on and off. Swipe down to open the control center. Tap on airplane mode and leave it on for 10 seconds. Then turn it off. This forces the phone to reconnect to your mobile network. So check if it fixed the problem. Solution 2. Reset your mobile radio power. Open the dialer of your phone. Dial *4636#*. This will take you to the testing menu. Now in here, select Phone Information 1 or Phone Information 2. This will show you your SIM details. Now toggle off mobile radio power for 10 seconds and turn it back on. This will refresh the setting and hopefully fix any network issues. Solution 3. Check preferred network type. Go to Settings, tap on Mobile Networks, select your SIM. Now tap on Preferred Network Type. Choose Prefer LTE or Prefer 3G or 2G. If one doesn't work, try switching between them. Then restart your phone and see if the signal returns. Make sure to restart your phone after each time. Solution 4. Reset network settings. Go to Settings, tap on More Connectivity Options or Connections and Sharing. Scroll down and tap Reset Wi-Fi, Mobile and Bluetooth. Then tap Reset Settings and confirm. This will not erase your data, but it will reset all your network connections. So after this, hopefully your problem will get fixed. And guys, that's basically it. These were the best ways to fix emergency calls only and SIM not working issues on Xiaomi phones. Now if the final solution did not work out for you, you can try doing a factory reset, but only if everything else has failed. It'll erase your data, so back it up first. After the reset, your problem will be gone. Hope this video helped you out. If it did, feel free to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy phone fixes. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.